Hello, I just want to make a quick video about this. This is the Helios 44-2 lens, and I want to show you how to change the aperture on it, because it confused me for a while. So you can change your focus just by this, right? But to change the aperture, it's this dial. So this outer ring is just stiff. You just really have to put quite a bit of force on it. It has what's called a preset aperture. So if I set this lens to f16, you can use this wheel, and if you spin that, you get essentially a declicked aperture. So what I like to do when I'm shooting with this lens is I actually set the aperture to f16, and then I treat it like an inverted aperture almost, right? So when I have the preset set to f2, we are at f16, and if I move that to f16, we're there at f2 all wide open. And the reason it's like this is because on the old film cameras, like this was used on my Zenith film camera, if you're at f16 in a dark area, it's quite hard to manually focus. So the idea was you could, have your aperture at f16. So have your aperture at f16, but then open it all the way up to f2 to check your focus, and then stop back down again for the actual image. So hope this helps.